Happy Vlogmas! This Vlogmas, I'm packing all my bags, flying up the coast, and starting a new life in this city. Let the journey begin. Let me tell y'all some tea. It is 3:36. I left my phone at home all day. And I got off at 3 because I need to use up like these 6 hours of leave that I have. So there's that. So I'm just like, so my phone, I left it right in the bathroom. But now I have to take the exam for my capstone class. This is final or not. So I'll talk to y'all soon. So another day, another dollar. A nice sweater today because I was a little chilly yesterday. I got a new bag not too long ago, and this is the Palm Springs. This is the LV Palm Springs Mini. It's really cute, and I thought this size is like perfect for like being in a city. So I can't wait to carry it there. It has pretty long straps on it. If you guys are interested in dupes like this one or many more, then please go to FORTOK.ru. They have some good selections on there. Check out the stitching on this bag. It looks really, really good. Check it out. That stitching is amazing. These straps are amazing. This leather is amazing. It's literally perfect, guys. If you're interested in this bag or any other bag on their site, you guys can use discount code Tommy at checkout, and I'm sure you won't be disappointed. Today is such a good day. For some reason, a lot of us cannot log into the system. So I don't know why, but it's none of my business. So I'm doing some apartment shopping. I asked the apartment, like, hey, how tall them islands is? Because I'm trying to buy some bar stools. So he told me. So they're actually like, the island is counter level. It's not like bar height. So I need counter stools, not bar stools. And bar stools are like 29 inches up, and counter stools about like 24 inches. So I'm gonna get the 24 inches. So good talk. I'm just having such a good day. Like, y'all, look at me. I love a turtleneck because when you got a turtleneck on, ain't no double chin with the turtleneck. Ooh. But for real though, I love a good turtleneck. I also had to talk to my loctician. I was just gonna wait till I got to DC to find a new person to do my hair, but I don't want to go up there with like with this going on. So I'm gonna dye my hair this weekend, and then I scheduled for Tuesday with her because, girl, I definitely need to do something. So I'm gonna dye my eyebrows again. But yeah, I don't know why, but I really like my outfit today, and it's not even special. Like, it's just a Target rain boot. I don't know where these jeans are from. I can't believe I fit them, but they're very eccentric. Yeah, BCGB sweater. Very soft. It's so soft, and honestly no air passes through it. Good sweater. Here I go on my way to physical therapy. Good old physical therapy after icing. Yeah. Whoa. So I'm leaving physical therapy. I only have a few more sessions, and then I'm moving. So I mean, I can't come back. I can't just come back for physical therapy. So yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna make sure I handle all my insurance stuff, because I'm really sad that I don't get to keep my current job's insurance because it was so good. Like, y'all, I paid $60 for everything. I talked about it in my accounting video and like government accounting and stuff like that. But y'all, I paid $60 a month for everything. I'm talking, that was including health, vision, dental, and cancer. Like, yo, government got some good insurance, sis. Been to the dentist like 12 times this year. Not even joking. I have an appointment tomorrow. I don't know what it is. I don't know if my teeth are just like so horrible or what. Because I mean, 2020, I didn't have any cavity. Well, I didn't go to the dentist in 2020, but 2019, I had no cavities. So I don't know. I had a root canal, a couple in October and everything, because this one filling, like, they had to go and do a root canal on it. And I have to get a crown on that, but they said I exhausted all my funds for the year. So I'm gonna wait till next year to get it, sis, because y'all not finna get a thou off of me. I'm sorry. You can't. You ain't. You can't and you ain't. Tonight the music seems so loud. I wish that we could lose this crowd. Who's gonna dance with me? I'm never gonna dance again. Guilty feet have got no rhythm. Okay, y'all, so I'm currently working on signing my lease. They send the lease out like nearly, well, actually it's less than 2 weeks because I'm moving next week. But I just got the lease sent over today and I'm signing it, and I had to make some calls because it's just saying y'all got my credits and my months, my prorated months on there, right? Because you get 2 months free for the place that I'm living at, making my rent a little lower for the first year. So I'm happy about that. Cube is kind of empty now. Got a little more work to do. This is how much trash I've collected from my desk. this is closed. Mountain. Now I need to sort it.